All eyes will be on Jamaica for the three-day visit of the British Royals, the Duke and Duchess of Cambridge. Now, Kelisha Williams will be our reporter on the ground, and she now joins us live. Kelisha, what can we expect?
Thanks, Herman. Well, the Duke of Cambridge, Prince William, and his wife, the Duchess of Cambridge, Kate, are expected to arrive at 2:20 p.m. at the Norman Manley International Airport tomorrow. Now, the schedule is compact, and it will include courtesy calls at King's House and Jamaica House. They will also be visiting Shortwood Teachers College, the Spanish Town Hospital, and the Caribbean Infantry Training Center in Flankers, Montego Bay. Now, amidst all of this, Herman, there have been news of protests. Now, one is scheduled for the British High Commission on Trafalgar Road. It's been organized by a group which goes by the name Advocates Net, and they're calling for an apology and reparations from the British monarchy. They have actually penned an open letter to the Prince and the Duchess where they have pointed to the purpose of the visit, which is to mark the 70th anniversary of the Queen's ascension to the throne, which the group argues is no reason to celebrate because under her leadership and her predecessors, they presided over what they deemed the greatest human rights tragedy in the history of humankind. And of course, they are referring to slavery. Now, the letter further states that the Duke has an opportunity, given that he will lead the British monarch one day, to redefine the relationship with Jamaica by apologizing and recognizing the need for atonement and reparations. Now, the Advocates Network is an alliance of 100 individuals and organizations who are advocates for human rights. Herman?
All right, thanks, Kelisha. Should be an interesting day tomorrow. Now, in the meantime, opposition leader Mark Golding says he will be raising issues surrounding reparations for slavery and the removal of the Queen as Jamaica's head of state with the Duke and Duchess of Cambridge during their visit to Jamaica. In a media release this afternoon, Mr. Golding said the opposition is aware of planned protests during the visit and agrees that an apology and acknowledgement would be an appropriate way for the British monarchy to begin the process of atonement. Now, he adds that the constructive dialogue is the best way to move the process forward, and attending the events provides an opportunity for this.